Come test drive the 2016 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes, rear view camera, leather trim seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.